Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you step by step how to install the latest Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra One UI update. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Unlock your Samsung phone and head straight into the Settings application. The Settings menu is where you can manage all aspects of your device, from display and, most importantly for today, software updates. Step 2. Scroll down through the Settings menu until you find Software Update. Tap on it to open the Software Update settings. This section is specifically designed to keep your device running smoothly with the latest features, security patches, and improvements from Samsung. Step 3. Once inside the Software Update menu, tap Download and Install. Your phone will automatically check if any updates are available. Make sure your phone is connected to Wi-Fi and has sufficient battery before starting the update to avoid interruptions. Step 4. If an update is available, it will appear on the screen. Tap Download and Install to begin updating your device. Depending on your model, this could be an update to One UI 7, 8, or the latest version compatible with your phone. The update process may take a few minutes, and your device will automatically restart once the installation is complete. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.